So, what we have here is a beautiful little juvenile bull snake. These guys are pretty common Colorado native. It lives both in the mountains and in the plains, but pretty large snake that, as you can see, is just known. Some of them are very, very sweet, but they can be a little bit cantankerous, like this guy here. A little bit hissy. Listen to that hiss. But it's a very good defensive mechanism. Scare predators away. Say, hey, I'm a big bad snake. You don't want to mess with me. But this guy is not that big and bad yet, so unfortunately he's getting messed with a little bit. But it's only to get him off the road, because we're on the road here at night. I don't want him to get squished. So you, my friends, are gonna go on your way. No more hissing at me. Look at that face. Get this guy off the road to safety. Right back where you were, Mr. Hissy Sir. All right, my friends. There you go. Good boy.